morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. I'm going to start with the weather. Yeah, it's supposed to be near 100 here in Sutter County, California today. It's officially fall. Yeah. All right. Yesterday, Robin and I had fun in the kitchen. Started with shake and bake pork chops, super easy. I did potato lyonnaise, but I put a twist on it. I added cheese. It was very yummy. I used a new vegetable in the kitchen yesterday, apple. I basically sauteed it. I used the wok, because you know me, I like the wok. And Robin put together the Pillsbury biscuit garlic butter cheese bombs. Those are fun. Those are cool. Great dinner. Yeah. Despite the near 100-degree weather today, I am doing cheesy ham and potato soup. I'm working on that book. Working on that next cookbook. So let's get to it. Got the Dutch oven. We got a slab of ham. We have a little bit of olive oil, chicken stock, whole milk, garlic, basically a mirepoix of celery, carrots, and yellow onion. These will all be diced down. Kosher salt, black pepper, cheddar cheese, baby gold potatoes, some thyme, some bay leaf, and some all-purpose flour for thickening. So I have a little bit of therapy to do. Yes, a little bit of prep work. But that's okay. It's therapy. I'm going to keep it short today. Stay out of the heat. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.